Hey, hi. In this video, we're going to talk about this error which you can get when you're trying to install Snapchat, that due to repeated failed attempts or other unusual activity, your access to Snapchat is temporarily disabled. Now, this actually, I can say you can solve it in 3 or 4 ways. The first one is make sure you're not using a VPN on your phone. Make sure you're not using a VPN on your phone. Now, if you're not using a VPN and you're still having this issue, sometimes your device has been flagged for whatever reason that you have been using your phone for. It may be have been flagged, and usually the flags can usually last for 48 hours. That is 2 days. After that, you can try to resume and register your account. Now, if still you can't register, you may have to register using a phone. Using a phone instead of the email. You may have to set up Snapchat using a phone number, not an email. Like in this case, I was trying to do like continue with the Gmail. So instead, you may have to kind of set it up with a phone number, not a Gmail. If all fails, you may actually have to just use another phone or device to set up your Snapchat. In other words, you may have been actually blacklisted, your device may have been flagged for whatever reason it is. You may just have to use another phone. Okay. So let me know what of these options has worked for you, and I'll see you in the next video. And bye bye.